Probably one of the biggest challenges is STEM is my STEM class in high school is not a standards-based class, which means that I can pretty much teach whatever I want. So then as you go and look at what are the things that you want to challenge your students with, bringing in any kind of research, bringing in the engineering practices, bringing in the science, the math that go along with that. When I was first given the class, I just had to do a lot of research myself to come up with things that would make my kids critically think. Some of the projects that we do, whether it's doing robotics, whether it's flying drones or engineering a raft to float down the Arkansas River, all brings in those components of having them think to do math, and they don't know they're doing math, but to think and also just to bring in some skills that they may or may never have had to do. We've built things, we've flown things. It's a great class to get them to get in and get engaged in and hands-on, and to get an end product, whether it works or not, and then to have to re-engineer it so that it will work.